How to create RSS feed from Google News. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can create an RSS feed from Google News. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And you're going to find in the description of this video the rss.app link in order to continue with the tutorial. So basically here we must select what RSS feed we would like to generate. So let's suppose I want something about technology. There you can also select some other like tab, perhaps just technology related to artificial intelligence it could be. Now if you open rss.app, here in the upper menu you're gonna find different options including Google News feeds. You can make the same with Facebook, TikTok, Telegram, etc. But by now I'm going to use Google News, and this is gonna ask me for a Google News URL. So if I go back into technology, so I just have to copy the URL and paste it here, okay, and click on generate. This is gonna take some seconds, less than 20, and there you're gonna be able to check like all the options related to technology and specifically AI. As you can see, almost all titles like AI market with NVIDIA, Congress to study how AI could be used, etc. Returns with AI, Travis Scott song. So all this is related to AI. If you want to get your code in XML, JSON or CSV, you must sign up. This is for free. You must do it with your Google account. I'm going to show you. With your Twitter account, or also write your first name, last name, email address, and password in order to sign up to rss.app. And in that way, you're going to obtain this code, and therefore you could include it into your blog, your website, or whatever you want. And that's it. That's how you can create RSS feed from Google News. Thanks for watching.